Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy James from Forte, and today you can see today's muse, which is right back here. This is a C8 Corvette. It's been wrapped by Pristine Wraps. I'll be putting all their info down below in the description of this video, man. So today, like I promised, I'm gonna be giving y'all behind the scenes of me capturing photos of this beautiful car right here. I'm also gonna be doing a video on it, but I'm not gonna be doing behind the scenes on that quite yet. I'm gonna see how this video does, and if y'all really want to see behind the scenes of me capturing video and doing cinematics, I'll do one on that, man. So y'all let me know how this video goes, and then based on that response that I get from this, we'll see how we do with behind the scenes on the video. But now let's go ahead and get the behind the scenes on the photo aspect of things. Let's get it. All right, so what I want to do first is show y'all exactly what I'm gonna be shooting with today. So if y'all can see right here what I have on the ground, this is the Canon EOS RP. So this is what I'm gonna be shooting with today. And the lens, as y'all can see right there, is the Canon 24-105 f4. This is an RF lens, and it's also stabilized. Because it is very bright today, as y'all can kind of see right there, I'm going to be using a variable ND and CPL filter. So I did do a video on my channel about this filter, filter and CPL combo, but it's a 2-in-1, so you get variable ND and also a polarizer. So that's very important. Polarizers are very important when you're shooting cars, and ND is very important when you're shooting very bright days like today. So this is a 2-in-1. I'll be putting a link down below in case you're interested in this. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be using today. This is gonna be set up. I'm not gonna be switching lenses out. This is gonna be all I'm gonna use today to get all my shots. All right, and y'all can see the car right there. So now let's go ahead and get to it. All right, everyone, so as y'all can see right here, the car is right in front of me, and just to kind of show you my settings right there, hopefully it can pick it up right there. But so I'm gonna be shooting, shutter speed is gonna be 1/640, f-stop 4.0, ISO 100. So I like to kind of underexpose with the RP a little bit. I'll probably go about 1 stop underexposed so I can bring it up in post, and also because it's a super bright day today, so I'll probably go 1 underexposed. So let's go ahead and take this first shot right here. So this is gonna be actually my thumbnail. See how that looks there? So y'all can kind of see how I'm shooting it. Now let's go ahead, go to portrait mode, and then let me grab a couple there. So I just went 1 over there, kind of show you what's going on there. So looking at the pictures in my camera, I think I'm gonna go with 1 underexposed, because it's just such a bright day, and I know I'll be able to bring up on most of the shadows that I want to in post. So I'll shoot 1 under with those same settings. So I might rock with these settings the rest of the day, depending on, as long as the sun stays out and there's not any overcast. So the next thing what I want to do is get really, really low. So as you guys can kind of see what's going on right here, I'm gonna get really, really low. Sometimes I even like to put the camera on the ground. So I'm gonna get really, really low here and take this front picture. I think cars just look way more aggressive when you get low and capture that front end. So that's kind of what I'm gonna do here. My settings are the same as I just told you. Angle the camera slightly up, and boom, grab a couple of those. Let me look at those, see how they look. Man, they look pretty good. Yeah, I think I like those. All right, so now I got my front shots. So now I'm gonna go with right 3/4. So I'm just gonna move slightly over here. And grab my right 3/4 shot, which is gonna be sort of this angle you guys are seeing right now. All right, so one thing I did just do, because the way the sun is shining on the front of the vehicle, which you guys can kind of see right over here in this area, see how the sun is shining right here and it's making a reflector? That's where your polarizer is gonna come in, because if it's a nice day like it is today, that's gonna be polarized light that you'll be able to kind of cut out using a central polarizer. So what I'm gonna do right now is take one picture, show you guys on the screen what it looks like with the polarizer and without the polarizer. So This one right here, that's gonna be without the polarizer. Boom, with the polarizer. So you guys can kind of see the difference. So now I got all my basic shots out the way. So now I'm gonna try to go with some more detailed shots. Try to grab some shots. Maybe the exhaust, the tail lights are pretty unique on this car. Some of the rear end. Then also going to the front and all the body curves. I want to capture anything that's accentuated, anything that they wrapped that made it look different about the car. Make sure I capture that in the pictures, since this is for a client and this is a client shoot. And it is a wrapping company, so they did wrap the car. So they want to show everybody how good their wrapping skills are. So that's why I'm kind of accentuate through the pictures. So that's what I'm doing right now. All right, so one unique piece I see right here is with this black, and they wrap that right in here. So I want to grab a photo kind of this area right in here. So that's kind of what this looks like. All right, and then as you can see here, they kind of got this black area right here. They wrap and go up in here. So I'm gonna try to catch a shot kind of low, try to catch the stingray, and then show all of this as well. So the settings that I had to just do on this to get that shot, it's gonna be shutter speed is 1/200, f-stop of 6.3, and ISO 100. So the reason why I stopped it down a little bit is because I wanted to make sure, because when I was at f4 shooting that close, it was blowing everything out in the background. So I stopped it down so I can get more in focus. All right, so one thing that the client likes to do, and maybe a lot of kind of hard to see, but they like to put their logo on the gas caps. So it's pristine wrap, so you see the PW right there on the gas cap. So I kind of like to always capture that in the picture. So I'm gonna try to get like a creative angle and capture that. All right, so as y'all guys can see the front end of the car, they did do some wrapping on the front end of the car. So what I'm gonna kind of do is grab kind of this front half shot. So probably about half of the car, just showing the emblem half over, and then probably just one showing kind of more so the tail light right in here. So I always like to kind of grab both those shots to kind of grab just a more aggressive front end shot. All right, so I kind of grabbed all the shots that I kind of want at this point. So what I'm gonna try to do right now is grab one from up top of the staircase right over here, and then grab a wheel shot, and then I'll be done. As y'all can see right there, security is right there, and they probably just kicked us out. They're getting ready to kick us out. So it's kind of what happens sometimes. You go and do some of these photo shoots, you get kicked out of places, and it kind of comes with the territory. So looks like we're gonna go ahead and wrap up this behind the scenes video today. And I appreciate y'all watching. Let me know down below, what do you think about this behind the scenes? I know it's a little rough around the edges, but I just wanted to kind of give y'all the raw process, kind of what goes on through my mind when I take some of these pictures. All right, so as always, like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll holler at y'all later, man. Peace.